Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Drive on PC. And in today's video, I will show you how to share file in Google Drive. Let me show you how. Like for instance, this particular PDF file, so it can be any type of file. You can share PDF file, you can share docs file, you can share image or whatever. So how can you actually share file in Google Drive? First thing first, make sure you select the particular file that you want to share. So having selected the file that you want to share, go ahead and click on these three dots right here. And this is going to pump up right here. Go ahead and click on share. Then you have share icon right here. Okay. So next thing you want to do right here is go ahead and click on share. Once you click on share, and this dialog box here is going to pump up right here. Now, add people, group, space, and calendar event as the case may be. You can add at the top right here. So click on there and the Gmail account of anyone you want to share with. Like for instance, I want to share with this particular Gmail account. Go ahead and select the Gmail account. You can share with, so once you select the Gmail account, you can share with as many as possible different contacts. Okay, you can add as many as possible as the case may be. Once you add a contact, then you want to make sure you choose the options of whether you want them to view, whether you want them to comment, or you want them to edit only. So if you want them to view the document alone, go ahead and choose viewer. The next thing you want to do right here is to enter your message right here. Please kindly view the documents. Just like so. So once you are done with whatever you want to type in right here, next thing you want to do, so documents. So once you are done with whatever you want to type, come down below right here and go ahead and hit on send. And the file will be shared with this particular contact below. It can be as many as possible contacts as the case may be. The file will be shared to them only, and they will have only access to view the file. They won't be able to edit, they won't be able to comment. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this about how to work with Google Drive on PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.